Huggies Little Snugglers Size 2 diapers are designed to provide ultimate comfort and care for your baby, accommodating 12 to 18 pounds. With a soft, breathable liner and a gentle pocketed waistband, they keep your little one dry and prevent leaks. The hypoallergenic material is perfect for sensitive skin, ensuring your baby's safety and comfort. Each pack includes 180 diapers, 3 packs of 60, offering convenience and great value. Wetness indicators make it easy to know when it's time for a change, giving you peace of mind. Trusted by parents, Huggies Little Snugglers deliver exceptional quality for growing babies, a must-have for a happy and hassle-free diapering experience. Transform your living space with these under-cabinet lights. Featuring 40 LED rechargeable motion sensor technology, they automatically illuminate your surroundings when needed. The dimmable feature ensures the perfect lighting ambience, whether for late-night snacks or detailed kitchen tasks. With a magnetic design, they're easy to install and reposition, making them ideal for closets, stairs, or counters. Say goodbye to cumbersome wiring. These wireless lights are versatile and convenient. Enjoy up to hours of brightness on a single charge. Illuminate your home with functionality and elegance. Upgrade your kitchen with this stainless steel dish drying rack. This large capacity dish drainer is the perfect solution for keeping your kitchen counter organized and clutter-free. Made from durable stainless steel, it's designed to resist rust and last for years. The spacious layout accommodates plates, bowls, and even pans, while the detachable cutlery holder keeps utensils neatly stored. Non-slip feet ensure stability, and the sleek design complements any modern kitchen. Easy to assemble and clean, this multifunctional dish rack is both practical and stylish. Say goodbye to soggy counters and hello to effortless dish drying. Gritton 9 LED rechargeable book light is a game changer for bedtime readers. With 3 adjustable color temperatures, you can choose the perfect light setting for your comfort, reducing eye strain during late-night reading sessions. Its compact and lightweight design makes it portable and easy to clip onto your book or e-reader. The rechargeable battery ensures long-lasting performance, eliminating the hassle of frequent battery changes. The flexible neck allows for precise lighting angles so you can focus on every word. Ideal for travel or cozy nights in, this book light is both practical and stylish, a must-have for avid readers. Promotional review: MacBook Pro charger, 108-watt USB-C fast charger. The 118-watt USB-C MacBook Pro charger is a powerhouse for fast and efficient charging. Perfectly compatible with MacBook Pro Air M1, M2, M3, M4, iPad Pro, Samsung Galaxy, and all USB-C devices, it ensures universal connectivity. Its robust build guarantees durability, while advanced safety features protect against overcharging and overheating. The included USB-C charge cable delivers convenience and optimal performance. Whether you're working, studying, or traveling, this charger keeps your devices powered up in record time. Sleek and lightweight, it's a must-have for tech enthusiasts. Upgrade your charging experience with speed and reliability.